Hi guys, this is Melody Pencil Pal, and today this is a tutorial on how to draw a person. And so in here I'll try teaching you on how to draw from stick man into a full body character. There will be a second part of this, okay? But this will just be the first part with the outlines and such stuff. So okay, let's begin. So, we will begin first by drawing a head, which we'll outline again with the circles, which I usually make before outlines. And then, so yeah, go make the circles and trace it around. And then I'd also like putting lines as an outline too. So the top part will be for the eyes, next to the nose, and the bottom part for the mouth. And of course, the very top of the head for the hair. And we will continue back to the body, in which where you will try using a rectangle for making the top part, which is the chest, then the bottom part, which is for the hip. So if you want bigger hips, make a bigger bigger square. And so you can see the outline now. Next one, we're gonna begin with the arms. Draw two triangles for the arms with a circle for the joints. And so yeah, you can see that there. And so pause the video if you want, okay? Because the video actually has some quick time left. So there, you can see it now. We're gonna go with the legs by starting with drawing more longer rectangles and then circles for the joints again, and then another rectangle for the bottom part of the leg, whatever it's called. And so that you have a full outline for the body. I'm just gonna go trace it now, and you can pause the video if you want, so you can catch up with the video. And so yeah, just keep doing this stuff. And now I won't be doing the hands or the feet because I'm too lazy to make the hands and the feet ran out. So yeah, here's the video. I hope you please like the video and please subscribe to my channel down below. I'll see you next time.